I've done videos where I show you how to put glitter inside your ornaments. Now I'm going to show you how to do ribbon on the outside of your ornament, as well as one with decorative tape. Now all those ornaments are past projects. I'm going to work on a new one. Okay, here we go. We need a pair of scissors. I'm going to use 3/8 of an inch ribbon. This is decorative tape. It's got an adhesive back to it. Clear Elmer's glue, Mod Podge, a 3-inch ornament round, and a 3-inch ornament flat, and also our ornament hanger. Alright, the first project is going to be with the decorative tape. I'm going to do lines today, so let's stay tuned and see what happens. All right, last line. And I didn't put any glue, extra glue on these. I think I'm gonna put some Mod Podge on there. That's one of the things I showed you in the beginning that you can use. All right, so I've got my lines on there, and I cut my tape so I had enough to bend over the top. Because when I put the top of my ornament back on there, that's another way I can secure my tape. So that's my design on this one. I'm going to put some Mod Podge on this one and let it dry. All right, let's add our Mod Podge. Mod Podge. We'll put this on in even strokes in the same direction. And try to put even product over them. On this one, I'm not going to put it all over my whole ornament. I'm just going to put it where I have the ribbon or the tape on this one. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I've got it on both sides, and what I'm going to do is take me a Q-tip and sort of just roll it down and get rid of the excess over here on this side. Don't want it too far outside of the lines or the tape that I have on here. Has a little excess, so we can get that stretched out. Okay, so we're gonna do the top. We're gonna put the top on this and hang it on our ornament hanger so it can dry. Okay, and using my ribbon, I'm going to use the clear glue, and I'm also going to use the 3-inch round ornament, and I have my scissors. First, I'm going to take my ribbon and put it here on my ornament and try to take it as straight as possible around to the other side of my ornament. Do that again. Here on my ornament, take it all the way around to the other side of my ornament. Try to make it straight across as much as possible. There we go. And I'm gonna leave a little bit of my ribbon so that I can put it down inside of my ornament. So I'm gonna cut it When I glue it, I'll put it down inside my ornament. That's probably a little too much ribbon to be down because I don't want it to be showing inside my ornament, so I will trim that before I glue it down. So I probably want about that much on each side. So to save time, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut me a couple of strips the same size to put on my ornament. Oops. Alrighty. Then I'm going to take my glue, and instead of putting it on my ornament, I'm going to put it on my ribbon. Makes it easier to use that way. Okay, now I've got both sides on. I use the clear Elmer's glue for a reason, because you can get it all over the side of it. So I'm going to squeeze out a little bit. Alright, now I've got my ribbon on, and I'm going to let this dry, because what I want to do is I want to put a ribbon, a bow on it. So I'll take my top of my ornament and put it back on. Make sure your prongs on the outside and your ribbon is straight and inside. Okay, because you want that to dry straight as possible. I'm going to hang it on our ornament hanger and let that dry. The ornament is drying, and I'm going to make my bow. In order to make my bow, alright, I'm going to make my bow, and I'm going to use some hot glue. So I'm going to put that right there in the center and fold one of my pieces over to the center. Let it stay down there. I'll put some more glue right in the center. Fold my other piece over into the center, like so. And then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put me a dot right there. Oops. And I'm going to place my bow on it. Sit it right here. So I'm going to place. Alright, here are the two ornaments. We have the flat ornament and the round ornament. Just feel free to do it any way you want to do it. Have fun with it. Add you some crystals, add you some snowflakes, add you a Santa Claus hat, anything that you want to do with it. And you can add these ornaments to your tree, to your wreaths, in your garland, or just hanging from an ornament hanger like these are. Enjoy them. Thank you again. Remember to subscribe and have a blessed day.